Every day I feel is a blessing from God. And I consider it a new beginning. Yeah, everything is beautiful. Life is not always easy to live, but the opportunity to do so is a blessing beyond comprehension. In the process of living, we will face struggles, many of which will cause us to suffer and to experience pain. My life has been a blessing. I'm grateful for everything I do have and the places I'm going and the things I've seen. You never know where a blessing can come from. Inspiration is some mysterious blessing which happens when the wheels are turning smoothly. Blessed are they who see beautiful things in humble places where other people see nothing. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of the heavenly lights, who does not change like shifting shadows. But blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. They will be like a tree planted by the water that sends out its roots by the stream. It does not fear when heat comes. Its leaves are always green. It has no worries in a year of drought and never fails to bear fruit. And God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work.